What is e-commerce? Let's start with the simplest definition. E-commerce is basically buying and selling through digital channels. Instead of walking into a store, looking around, choosing something, paying and taking it home, we can now do most of that using a phone or computer. You search, you compare, you click, you pay, somebody delivers. That's e-commerce. But here's the important part. E-commerce is not simply having a website or posting products online. You still need to convince somebody to buy. The store changed. The basic challenge of selling didn't. Where does e-commerce happen? Years ago, this was easy. Where's your store? There's the building. Today, not so simple. Your customer might discover your product on social media, check it on a marketplace, Google your brand, compare prices somewhere else, message you with a question, and finally buy through your website. So the store isn't necessarily one place anymore. That's why modern e-commerce is bigger than an online shop. Your customer moves around. Your job is to make buying easy wherever they find you. How e-commerce actually works now. When we buy something online, it looks incredibly simple. We find something we like. We click buy, we pay, and then we wait for the package. From the customer's point of view, done. But behind that one little click, a lot of things have to happen. The store has to receive the order. The payment has to go through. Someone has to check the inventory. The correct product has to be picked and packed. Then somebody has to ship it, deliver it, and hopefully deliver the right thing to the right person. Because sending the wrong package very efficiently is still not good e-commerce. And that's an important point. E-commerce isn't just the website. It's the entire system that takes a customer from "I want that" to "I got it." The customer doesn't really care how complicated everything is behind the screen. They just want the whole thing to work. And when it works really well, they make one click and everybody else gets busy. Your product page is your salesperson. Imagine walking into a store and asking the salesperson a question, and the salesperson just stares at you. That's basically what a bad product page does. Your product page has to do the selling when you're not there. What is this? What does it do? How much is it? What do I get? Why should I choose this one? Can I trust it? When will I receive it? A strong product page answers these questions quickly. Don't make customers work hard to understand what you're selling. People can't touch the product. One big disadvantage of e-commerce is obvious. The customer cannot physically touch the product. They can't pick it up, turn it around, or inspect it. So your images have to compensate for that. Show the product clearly. Show different angles. Show important details. Show scale when necessary. Show how it's actually used. And please, don't upload one blurry photo and expect the customer to use their imagination. Online, good visuals reduce uncertainty, and less uncertainty makes buying easier. Features versus customer value. This is one of my favorite mistakes. Companies know their products very well, sometimes too well. So we fill product descriptions with specifications, technical terms, and features. Meanwhile, the customer is thinking, okay, but what does that do for me? Features are important, but translate them. Don't only tell me what the product has. Tell me what that means in my life. Customers don't buy specifications simply because they're impressive. They buy outcomes, convenience, solutions, and value. Trust is a currency. When you buy online, you're taking a small risk. You give somebody money before you actually have the product. That's why trust matters so much. Reviews help, ratings help, clear return policies help, secure payment options help, accurate product information helps. Even responding professionally to negative reviews helps. The customer is constantly asking one question: can I trust these people? If the answer is no, it doesn't matter how beautiful your product is. They're probably not clicking buy. Customers compare the total offer. Online comparison is ridiculously easy. Your competitor is literally one click away. But customers don't compare only price. They compare delivery, reviews, promotions, returns, availability, convenience, trust, and overall value. A cheaper product can actually lose if everything else feels difficult. So don't ask only, is our price competitive? Ask, is our total offer competitive? That's a much better e-commerce question. Traffic is not the same as sales. Getting lots of visitors feels good. 1,000 people visited our site. Fantastic. How many bought? 12. That's why traffic and sales are not the same thing. Traffic gets people through the digital door. Conversion gets them to buy. If people are visiting but not buying, something is happening between interest and checkout. Maybe the price, maybe the product page, maybe trust, maybe delivery, maybe the checkout process. More traffic isn't always the answer. Sometimes you need to fix the store. Make checkout easy. Imagine somebody has decided to give you money. This is a wonderful moment. Don't make it difficult. Long forms, surprise delivery charges, forced registrations, confusing payment options, pages that don't work properly on mobile. Every obstacle creates another chance for the customer to say, forget it. This is called cart abandonment. So once the customer decides to buy, your job becomes very simple. Get out of the way. Make checkout fast, clear, and predictable. The sale isn't over after checkout. Some sellers think the job ends when payment comes in. Actually, another important part has just started. Fulfillment. Was the correct product packed? Was it shipped on time? Can the customer track it? Did it arrive safely? What happens if something goes wrong? The customer doesn't separate your website from your warehouse or courier. To them, it's all your brand. So yes, delivery is marketing too. A great buying experience followed by terrible fulfillment is still a terrible experience. One customer can be worth many sales. Here's where e-commerce becomes really interesting. The goal isn't always to make one sale. It's to create a customer who comes back. If the experience is good, buying again becomes easier because trust already exists. And a happy customer may recommend you to somebody else. That's why customer service, follow-up, loyalty, and repeat purchase matter. Acquiring customers can be expensive. Keeping good customers is extremely valuable. So don't celebrate only the first order. Pay attention to the second. Data tells you what customers are doing. One great advantage of e-commerce is that customers leave clues everywhere. What are they searching for? Which products are they viewing? Where are they leaving? What's selling? What's not selling? How many carts are abandoned? Which promotions actually work? You don't need to become a data scientist. Start with simple questions. What happened? Why might it be happening? What should we change? Data doesn't automatically give you the answer, but it helps you stop making decisions based entirely on, I think. AI can help. It can't think for you. Of course, we have to talk about AI. AI can help e-commerce teams write product descriptions, create ideas, analyze reviews, summarize customer feedback, draft ads, and even identify patterns. That's incredibly useful. But here's the problem. If you give AI a lazy instruction, don't be surprised when you get a generic answer. AI still needs context. Who is the customer? What are we selling? What's different about it? What tone should we use? What's the objective? Use AI to make good thinking faster. Don't use it to avoid thinking. The e-commerce formula. So if you remember nothing else from these 10 minutes, remember this. E-commerce is not really about websites, marketplaces, apps, or technology. Those are tools. The real job is much simpler. Help the right customer find you. Help them understand what you're selling. Give them enough reason to trust you. Make buying easy. Deliver what you promised. And give them a reason to come back. That's e-commerce. Technology changes. Platforms change. Algorithms definitely change. But customers still want something very simple, good value, and an easy buying experience. Get those right, and you're already ahead of a lot of online stores. So, that's e-commerce in 10 minutes. If there's one thing I want you to remember, it's this. E-commerce is not just about putting products online. It's about making it easier for people to find you, understand what you're selling, trust you, buy from you, receive what you promised, and hopefully come back again. The technology may change. The platforms will definitely change. And yes, AI will continue changing how we work. But the basic principle stays the same. Make it easy to find, easy to trust, and easy to buy. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Coffee Talks with Bam. I'll continue sharing short, practical lessons on business, leadership, productivity, AI, communication, and other things that can hopefully make work, and sometimes life, a little easier to understand. Thank you for watching. I'm Bam Blanco Ramirez, and I'll see you in the next Coffee Talks with Bam.